Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix all apps not showing in Android Smart TV. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this problem, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Google Play Store. Then search here Sideload Launcher. Then install Sideload Launcher. I have already installed. After installing, go to your home screen. Then search here Sideload Launcher. You can see here Sideload Launcher. Open this launcher. After open this launcher, you can see here all apps showing here. That's it guys. So in this you fix all apps not showing in Android Smart TV. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.